Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ganapathy and I'll be your Anesthesia Faculty on the MedAce platform. I have almost 10 years of clinical experience and I'll be teaching you this subject under 20 hours. Yes guys, all the videos are compact and crisp. I've used video illustrations. For example, wherever I've taught equipment, I've brought in the actual device and I've shown the videos related to that so that you can retain better. Guys, we have handwritten notes and handcrafted MCQs. We have more than 300 questions that will help you understand the entire anesthesia in a conceptual manner, and it will help you score almost 100% in anesthesia. We have tools like flashcards, tools like workbooks that will help you revise the entire subject in a very quick manner just before your exams. So guys, hurry up, download the MedAce app and happy learning.